so I'm going to install the Stomp Grip traction pads, and this is it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm heating it up so that I can get the glue on the back side warm. When it's warm, it's easier to stick and things go a little bit better. So I've been running the blow dryer on this for a little while, and hopefully to try and get it a little bit warm, and it is. So we're gonna do the install. The Stomp Grip pads, you have to make sure that you got the right side, so the lettering should be right side up. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to put this on here, and this is the clear one, which is difficult to do it without bubbles. I kind of did some research and I found a way, or I think I found a good way to do it, and it involves using a tennis ball to rotate on the Stomp Grip as you move it along, and it kind of keeps out the bubbles. I've tried it before and it worked pretty okay, so let's try it now. Alright, so just peel back a little bit off the backing to start it off. Just make sure you've got it right when you're putting it on. So we're gonna start there. Yeah. Do it softly. Yeah. Try to get out the air bubbles. And just go along with the tennis ball. Do it little by little. Fill it up. Put a little pressure on it. Try to hold up. Let's switch to this side. Easier to do. Yeah, you're still getting bubbles, but it's not that bad. Just move it out a little bit more. Keep pressure and rotate the ball. So you just keep doing this little by little until you get the whole thing on. And get all over it, get all of this completed. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna be a pain, but you can complete it. So just keep going on, keep trying until you get the whole thing on. It just takes time. Alright, so we've got it on, and it's not perfect. What we can do is try to squeeze out as much as you can of any bubbles that are there. When you're done with the ball, you use your hand to go through everything. It doesn't look bad so far. Alright, so after I'm done using a tennis ball to rub the area, what I do is I run my fingers through every single line here and then down like that, and what you're left with is very shallow looking bubbles, and then those I think will go away in once it's fully set. But then if you have any bigger bubbles, you can use a pin to put a little hole in it. Just don't try to scratch anything, and just push it down, and that's pretty much what I've done, and it looks pretty clear. After a couple of days it should settle in a little bit better, and that should be the finished result.